Guys, we are in my dungeon. Although I don't mind having a basement with my laundry in the basement because guess what? I can have a mess and nobody ever sees it. So this morning, guess what? I had to clean it up because I was going to go through sorting laundry and starting the washer. What I do for you guys. Seriously, cleaning the basement. Anyway, so we are going to do some sorting and look at the cycles on the washer and the dryer. And even though I did clean up a little, it's still really non-public basement, okay? So judge me if you want. I can take it. Hold on, and I'm going to flip the phone around. Okay, I thought I could do this, but I guess I can't. So I'm going to do it this way. So this is the dial for the cycles. Okay. And mine has a lot of words on there. And basically all you need to know is like these big categories. The whites, the casuals, the dark colors. Because the rest of this is just kind of automatic. I will say this, that the heavy, the medium, light, and extra light, that means how long it's going to agitate. And by agitating, it's doing kind of this. It goes forward and then backwards, forward and then backwards, okay? So those are the settings. One of the things that, and I'm just going to tell you what I do. You can choose what you want to do. I know most of you are just going to throw everything in the laundry at once and all in the washer at once and in the dryer at once. But this is what I do to preserve my clothing as long as possible. And that is anything like towels, socks, underwear, tablecloths, bath mats, things like that. I wash them heavy. And I'm going to come over here on this side. There's where I have my load size, my temperature, and my settings. I'm not going to worry about this, but my temperature is the other thing. Okay, so all of those things I would do at hot because I want them super clean. Okay, and one thing to keep in mind as we get into warmer weather is that you do not want your laundry sitting in the washer very long. Okay, so like I run a cycle and I may even set the timer in the summer. So I remind myself to go put it into the dryer. If it sits in the washer very long, it is going to start not smelling well. Okay. Okay, so I'm going back over here. And because those are heavy things, I'm going to wash them heavily. Okay, or on the heavy cycle, sorry. Now, the other things I have would be like my dress clothes, my blouses, my things that, frankly, I don't dry many of my other things. Okay. And that is mostly because I want to preserve them longer. And drying things ruins the fibers. So I'm going to put them on casual. They don't need much washing. Okay, they just need a little washing, and depending on, the degree, I'm gonna have how much agitation I want them to have. I'm gonna choose one of these, and it's going to be a gentler agitation. So my hot stuff is gonna get agitated like this. My casuals are gonna get agitated more like this. Guess you're not seeing that, is it? That's the gentle. Now this is gonna be the high. Okay, and that is this thing in the middle. Okay, that is going to cause the agitation. There we go, agitation right here. Okay, and most washers have a little cheat sheet. You don't even have to remember all this because you're going to have a cheat sheet. The other thing is I'm going to save my water and save my energy. I'm going to, with those casuals, I'm going to put it on warm. Whenever I do warm and cold, it uses more energy because I have to heat the water, okay? I'm getting ready to do a load of towels. And then I'm also going to look at, once I get it in here, I'm going to decide, do I have a lot of stuff? Because that's going to be super. Do I have quite a bit of stuff? or do I have just a little bit of stuff? Okay, and that's going to determine how much water gets filled up in my washer. Okay, I'm getting ready to pause. Okay, so I'm finishing up this video. Did you want in it? Okay, Livy doesn't want in it this time. Okay, and then we're going to go to sorting, and I'm going to turn it around. Okay, the reason to sort is because some of your things can bleed. For instance, this t-shirt, okay, is orange, and washing it in hot water with white things actually can make the white things turn like a weird dingy color. Okay, so that's why we sort. And so this is part 1, then we'll do part 2.